Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery on a Ford 4-button key. First, I'd like to bring your attention to the upper corner of the key. You'll notice that there's a little notch right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver and place it right into that notch, and then pry the backside of the key fob apart from the body. And once we do that, you'll notice that the battery is exposed. And then I'm going to take a smaller pocket screwdriver, and you can actually use a toothpick for this. I would probably recommend that you do use a toothpick, but I'm going to very carefully pry the battery out of the body. And I find that prying the battery out down next to where the positive battery contacts are makes it pretty easy. Now, do not pry on those two metal contacts that you see next to my screwdriver there. If you do, you can damage them. Those are the positive battery contacts. And this particular battery is a CR2032 3-volt battery. Now, if you have a little bit of dielectric grease, you can apply small amounts to the 4 points that I'm showing you right here. Just a little bit is needed, not much. Now, there's probably enough on there already that you don't really have to worry about that. Now, you can take your new battery and place it into the key fob body. You want to place it into the body negative side down, so you should see a plus sign facing up. Now we're just going to place the cover back onto the key fob. And that's it, folks. I sincerely hope that this video was a help to you. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you attempt this or apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify, and that's where I do that. As always, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.